Today we're going to be installing the Panzer Glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's dive in. First of all, I like to place the phone on a soft surface and remove the case so you have full access to the phone screen. Also, it's a good idea to turn your phone off so the screen does not light up during the installation. Now your phone is prepped, you'll need to clean the screen of the device with the included wet wipe. Make sure you take your time, as you'll want to get any oil or fingerprints off the display. Now, wipe the display dry with the included microfiber cloth, again taking your time to make sure no moisture is left on the display. Once the display is dry, grab the massive dust stickers that Panzer have included in the pack. Dab them onto the display and lift off any dust. This is a really important step, as anything that is in the way of the screen protector and the display will cause bubbles and ruin the look of your phone. Now, get your screen protector and peel the back layer off to expose the adhesive. Now, line it up with your phone screen, ensuring the camera cutout is at the top of the phone. Hover it over, and then when you're happy with the position, place it down on the screen. Now, if you're happy with the placement, draw a line across the display to start sticking the display down. You can then push out any bubbles of the screen protector. I like to use the microfiber cloth to push them towards the edge. If you have any stubborn ones, carefully lift the screen protector up at the nearest edge, then push the bubbles towards it in one swift motion. Once all bubbles are removed, I like to leave the phone for 30 to 60 seconds to let the adhesive work. Now your screen protector is installed, turn your phone back on and re-add your fingerprint. This is because your fingerprint will look slightly different with the screen protector installed. I recommend doing this a couple of times just to increase the reliability. Now the screen protector is installed and fingerprints are added, let's have a look at the screen protector. Now, Panzer Glass makes some of the thinnest glass screen protectors out there, and this is certainly no different. They have a really nice feel too, as they are coated with an oleophobic layer which is both antibacterial and anti-fingerprint. As you can see, it's quite noticeable where the fingerprint reader is, as this quite large a black circle. This is incredibly noticeable with the screen off. However, when you turn this display on, it does disappear slightly. However, at least the fingerprint reader is still ultra fast and responsive. The only thing I would say about this screen protector is I'm not a massive fan of the circle in the center. I think it just draws your eye to it, especially if you're watching long content on YouTube. I think you could probably get used to this in about a week or so. However, it's just not for me. I think I would prefer something like the Whitestone Dome that we installed previously, as it didn't have this at all and the fingerprint reader was still ultra fast. The edges of the glass are nice and smooth, so it doesn't feel like it would cut your hand or even scratch it. However, thankfully, it will still work with a case. I think if you can get past the black circle that the fingerprint reader leaves, it is actually a brilliant screen protector. It's curved at the edges, it's smooth to the touch on the edges of the screen protector and on the glass itself. It doesn't feel different with the S Pen, and it's still case compatible, meaning that you'll give your phone 360-degree protection rather than just protecting half of it. If you'd like to pick one of these screen protectors up, please visit the links in the description below, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. We'll be testing more S22 screen protectors shortly.